Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we are coming to you from Blankenship Bridge. This is a location in the Flathead National Forest, sits right on the Flathead River and is located approximately 9 miles northeast of Columbia Falls. The location here, the campground itself sits on a floodplain, so there's going to be certain times of the year where you just can't camp here because it's underwater. But it does have a 3-day stay limit. There's really not much more to say about it beyond that. This is the same area that I was in last October when we came out and met Barb for the first time last year. As you'll be able to see from some of the scenery and the terrain, the view here is quite a bit different than what we had experienced in October of last year. Going into late fall, almost in the winter time versus smack dab in the middle of summer. It's quite a bit different view. It's actually really impressive. It was impressive back then, it's even more so now. You may also recall that this was the location where we also lost our first drone. I've already taken the new drone up, and you know what? It came back in one piece. So we got some drone footage and stuff like that for the video as well. So I'll go ahead and give you the site tour, kind of show you what the views look like for the weekend, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so over here we have a little bucket of water, just kind of chilling out in the sunshine, basically heating itself up to get clean with. Over here we have my pickup truck. Over here we have the cooking teepee sitting over the fire ring, because we like cooking over open fire sometimes, and there's not a fire ban going here yet. And then back over this direction we have the sleeping quarters for the weekend. And coming back over here we have the quick set up. Inside the quick set we have our nice new differently configured tabletop with adjustable legs for those awkward type of terrains. And over here we have some lawn chairs, which we will cycle between the quick set for our morning coffee to keep away from the mosquitoes. Once they've disappeared, we'll bring them over here to the canopy and we'll shuffle them around based on where the sun's positioned in order to try to keep as cool as possible. Temperatures have been hitting upwards of 95 degrees so far, so we've been sweating a lot. So when you sweat a lot, being able to have a place to get clean is essential. This is our shower house. This is basically the shower mechanism that we use. It's simply just a little water pump, recharges via USB with a shower head attached to the end of it. Super efficient, super effective. Another table to basically for us to throw random stuff on, or Barb stuff. Over here we have Miss Barb reorganizing some stuff, and then back over here we have the his and her hammock group. We've both been able to utilize hammocks so far this weekend. It's been nice for being able to take midday naps just to kind of hang out in the shade and relax. And that's really pretty much it. It's kind of a compact site this weekend. But this is what we come here for. This is our back door, our back patio right now. Over here you have Blankenship Bridge itself. Down there on that far point, you might be able to see it, but you got a bunch of people on rafts. That's pretty much where they launch from when they go down this way, and where they get out from if they start further upriver. And this is the Flathead River here. And then off in the distance over there is tomorrow's destination. That is Glacier National Park. There will be more videos on that. But this is pretty much the stuff that we like. Lots of trees, lots of water, Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful views. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, and all those wonderful things that help the channel grow. Thanks again for tuning in, and have a nice rest of your day.